everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Artfish tank top. I bought this just to wear like casually with shorts or a skirt during the summer. I also think it would be super great for like workouts or yoga. It is really stretchy. It's made of spandex and rayon. I got a size small. I'm about 125 pounds and 5'3", but I do have a larger chest area and the small still fit perfectly, so it does have a lot of stretch. It's really breathable and lightweight, but it's not see-through. A lot of white tank tops that I get turn out to be see-through. This one's not at all, so you don't have to worry. It is ribbed material, if you can see. So super cute, super casual. The front is a scoop neck, and then it's also a scoop on the back, which I love. I love when it matches necklines on either side. Super, like I said, lightweight. It doesn't get too over hot. That's why I think it would be great for like yoga or working out. But it looks really cute dressed up or dressed down. I've worn it with a skirt and it looked really cute, and just wore a lot of accessories. I'll wear it with just some cutoff shorts and it looks cute either way. So if you are looking for a cute little tank top that's just gonna be kind of a staple piece in your wardrobe, I think this is great. Also, it is machine washable. I've washed it many times. It hasn't shrunk at all, and it's kept a really bright white color. It just looks and holds up really well. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.